Hello everyone. So first of all, I would like to greet you Happy New Year, because right now, based on the time of my computer, it is December 31, 11:32 p.m. So it's actually less than an hour. 2021 is coming. So anyway, on this video, I would like to discuss how to upload undelimited text file in HRTech. So when you say undelimited, I'm actually referring to this file. Okay, let me go to that file. Let me open it. Okay, so this is actually the file, no? So this is called undelimited because it has no delimiter. It is different from the one that is delimited. Okay, so this is actually a delimited text file wherein it is delimited by comma. Okay, so there is each column is separated by comma, so that's why it's called the delimited text file. Now in this delimited text file, again, it might be different in your case. So this is just an example of delimited text file. So here is actually the user ID, and this one is the year, and this is the month, and this is the day, the hour, and then the minute, and also the A is actually the log type. So A is login, and Z is actually the timeout. So the rest, although they are here, they are not useful in our case because they don't have meaning in our case, because what we need is only the user ID, and then the date, and also the time, and also the log type. Now if we go on this first column, this is actually the user ID or the log ID. So how do we know which employee the 002 belongs? So if we go to employee, each employee is actually the log ID. So in our case, this is 002, which is equal to this. So this log actually belongs to Han Yu Ju. Okay, so in this case, when you upload that log, it will belong to Han Yu Ju. Okay, now how do we upload these logs? Okay, so first of all, you need to do some configuration. So you go to the folder where the uploader was installed. So inside this folder, there are many files, no? But actually, you will only set these app settings.json. So if you go to this file, this is how it looks. So you need to specify the API URL. So this is actually the location of your server. In my case, it is localhost because it is located locally in my computer. But in your case, it might be a public IP like 243.444.45. Blah blah blah, or it can be a DNS name like www.abc.com, something like that. So you just need to ask your administrator regarding this URL, no, on what to put here. And then here are the data sources. So each pair of curly brace is actually one log data source. In our case, we have two. So it depends on your case. If you have maybe 10 branches, so it can be 10, or it could be more. So on the first field, you need to specify the source ID. So whatever is the ID of that text file, you can just put it here. In my case, I just put it pag, and then here the source type. So source type, in our case, it's undelimited. But of course, if it is a delimited text file, you put delimited. So it can be Excel file, it can be ZK, and so on, depending on the source type. And then here, the source type is actually the location of the file. So you will put here where is it located. So in my case, it is in the C extract. logs bug txt, which is here. And then the other one is cextract logs cap.txt, which is not there. Okay, so that is actually intentional, just for me to show you what will be the error that you will encounter when the file that you have specified here is not located in the folder. Okay, so let us now go to the actual process of uploading the logs. Now, to upload the logs, all you have to do is to execute that exe. So in your case, we will of course we will put a shortcut, no, on your desktop with an icon. So in my case, since I'm in the development mode, so I just put it here and then double click. So here you will specify the command. So the command to upload logs is actually the upload logs. So be careful in typing the command, because if it is not correct, let's say you just say upload and you press enter, you will encounter an error, unknown command, because this is not the command to upload logs. So in order to upload logs, all you have to do is to type upload logs. So and then press enter. So once you enter, it will begin the process of uploading. So as you can see, it is reading the file from the first one is from the cextract logs bug.txt. The second one is cap.txt, which is not found, as you can see. And then it will specify the number of records that was extracted, no, from the files. And then here, after extracting it from the file, it will upload it to the server. So once you receive this message, uploading was done successfully. So it means the uploading was done successfully. Okay, and then if you go to the folder of extract logs, you'll see that bug.txt is not there anymore. So it is being deleted by the system in order to avoid the duplicates for security purposes. Okay, but of course it's better that if you have a backup for that file. So if we will now go to the HRTech on the attendance log, so that one is from November. Okay, if you go to that, yeah, this is actually the file, no? So this is November 1 up to November 3. So if we go to November 1 up to November 3, so you will see that it's there. Okay, and then the data source is bug, and then for employee Ju Han Yu. Then here there is the ship start and ship end. So reference ID is not there because it is not an OB. Okay, now what happens if for example you upload it 2 times? By the way, to exit the application, all you have to do is to type exit. Okay, so what will happen if, for example, you upload it again? So let's say I will get it from my backup, copy it here again on the extract log, and then I will run it again. Okay, just for the sake of demo, I will run it again. I will upload it again. So here I say upload logs and then enter. So as you can see, it's not successful. There is a message, error encountered while uploading logs. That's because you already upload the logs. So if we go to the server, there's actually the log here, and you will see the details of the error. So this is the one you will send me when you encounter an error in uploading. So this one is not intended for the end user. This is actually intended for the developer like me. So only the developer can understand this. Okay, so if you go here somewhere here, there's a message that yeah, this primary key violation constraint. Okay, cannot insert duplicate key in object, so it's already duplicate, that's why. So if we see this error, so that means the source of the error is that you are uploading the logs 2 times, so it will duplicate the record. So the system is preventing to duplicate the records. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So in my succeeding videos, I will also show, oh, there are many firecrackers outside already because it's almost 12. Okay, so sorry for the noise right now because New Year is coming. So anyway, this is the end of my video. So if you have any question, just put it on the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.